Hi, Professor Hastings here. What two books would I want on a desert island if I was trying to become a graphic designer? These are my two desert island books. This is one I'm using for a class right now, which is why you can see I've broken it all up. I have used so many different books over the years to teach people how to become designers, and this one is my absolute favorite. It's got great exercises, it's very succinct, and it covers all of the most important parts and pieces of the process, and has beautiful, beautiful examples. Finding all of this in one beautifully designed book is really tough, but it's right here. Graphic Design for Everyone, understanding the building blocks so you can do it yourself. This is a winner. I'm actually using it in one of my classes now. I've got it broken up. I'm mapping the content of the class to the book and the projects, and I'm really pleased with this. The other one is called Comp It Up, and this one's been out for a while. Graphic Design for Everyone is a fairly new book. Comp It Up has been out for a few years. Here's the thing. It is a fabulous resource, especially for people who come from UI UX, but they need to switch over to do some print designs. And this is all about how to put together fabulous print projects. So how to build packaging projects, brochures, all of those different things that you take into consideration. And with so many people coming into design from the screen, the UX, UI, I've seen some books that look like they were designed by people who had never printed anything. This is a wonderful resource. So for my desert island, learning how to be a designer, these are my two favorite choices.